Hello and welcome back to one of my videos. I'm sorry it's been such a long time, hasn't it? But I hope you're all doing okay during lockdown wherever you are in the world. It's a very strange time to be going through for all of us, I think. So I hope you and your family are all safe and sound. So this is an order I made on Etsy from a shop called Honeycombeslimes, and this is a really good deal. It was $12.99 for 6 slimes plus 1 extra free. So that's just information on how to look after your slimes, and a personalised message saying sorry about delays. They normally provide liquid activator, but we've got some in this little baggie here, full of lots of lovely little extras to put in your slime, and some powdered activator, so that's fine. And here we have 6 4-ounce slimes in total, very carefully wrapped. I can see a lot of care and attention has gone into making this package. So shipping was free, so that's very good value for 7 slimes in total. So let's have a quick look at this bag of extras, shall we? Oh, so this is interesting. We've got some chocolate drizzle clear slime, that looks like, and some baggies of glitter, some cute little cabochons. Look at those, very nice seashells and sweeties. And so I'm going to have some fun compiling these slimes. Some activator, that's handy, and some rainbow coloured foam beads, and another sachet of strawberry drizzle. Oh, this should be fun. Okay, so I'm just going to open these all up and see what I've got. I know they do list each of these individually, so it's got strawberries and cream, that looks nice, and a cute little sticker, handmade with love, that's nice. Right, well, I'm just going to unwrap all of these and then I will open them. Okay, so I'm going to start with this Neapolitan. It looks really nice. I ended up turning it upside down, don't ask me why. And it's a kind of a cloud slime, like a cloud dough. So I'm just going to drizzle this strawberry drizzle on top of it, if I can get it out. Okay, there we have a drizzle on top. The drizzle is slightly on the stiff side, and neither of these are scented, by the way, the cloud slime or the drizzle. But now I'm going to go on top with some rainbow foam beads, and oh, I think that looks really sweet. So there we have a Neapolitan. Very nice too. Oh, well, this is very satisfying to mix. It is slightly stiff though, I can kind of feel the resistance of the strawberry drizzle in there, but this is mixing to make a very pretty effect, and it's definitely got some snow in it. Oh, well, I really enjoyed assembling that slime. It was good fun, and it's a very pretty slime too. Nice work. So, on to my next slime, Mango Sorbet. This looks like a clear slime. And yes, it does smell like mango. So, I like the addition of these little orange slices of foam. That's a nice touch. And wow, this is a very satisfying slime. Really nice texture, not sticky, nice colour. Yeah, it's really good. So it's got really good stretch, it's not sticky, so it's not overactivated or underactivated. It's a slow stretch, definitely, but this is a very good slime. Oh, so it's definitely holdable and not sticky, and that's a nice little slime. Like it. So next up in this medley we have mint choc chip. Ooh, that looks nice, nice colour. I can't detect any scent in this one, but this looks quite glossy, and it looks like it's got some foam chunks in black, so that's a nice touch. So this slime's slightly on the sticky side, but that's fine. There's activator. It's a very nice colour, and I do like the add-ins of the foam chunks. Makes it a nice authentic slime. So this slime does have good holdability, not too sticky after all, and that's a pretty good slime. And all of these slimes are really packed full. So on to this next slime, and none of these seem to have a scent, apart from the mango one so far. This looks nice and glossy, it's got some nice rainbow foam beads in there. Oh, and some little banana slices. This is banana split, by the way, so it's sort of two-toned. So a little bit on the stiff side, but certainly not sticky, and yeah, very glossy. So look at that, it's very stretchy. The slime has great poke and click and some good ASMR. So that's quite a nice slime. I liked the two-tone, I like the little banana slices, and this goes very well with the ice cream theme. So next up we've got cotton candy ice bar. This looks interesting. Two very nice colours in there, pink and blue. So I'm just going to add these little cabochons that I think will go nicely. Oh, I think that looks really cute, don't you? So again, this is quite glossy, it's quite stretchy, although a little on the stiff side, but there's no stickiness, and I love the two tones. Okay, so another great little slime for ASMR, glossy, clicky, pokey and stretchy. Very nice too, and I love these little cabochons. So for the final of these 7 slimes we have strawberries and cream, and this looks very pretty colour, it's nice pink, pastel sort of shade. Again, it doesn't have scent, but I don't think they said that there would be scents in this package. This looks very glossy again. I'd say most of these slimes are very similar consistency or similar types. So another great little slime. Overall, I think that this is great value for money, this package only being £12.99 for 7 slimes. That's less than £2 per 4-ounce slime. So I definitely recommend this as a beginner. I think it's a really lovely package, very well thought out, very generous from the seller. All the consistencies and the slime types are very similar. Don't expect scents, but I think it's very, very generous and very well thought out. So thank you to Honeycombeslimes. So thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and to subscribe, and I will see you again in the next one, hopefully not too long. Bye!